Today on Boston Girl Bakes, I want to show you how to make my classic banana bread recipe. Banana bread is such a wonderful and easy recipe, especially to use up any of those bananas that look like they're about to go bad. My recipe calls for sour cream, which is going to make it really moist and tender, and a little bit of cinnamon just for some extra flavor. Make sure your bananas are really dark in color and speckled. That's going to make them really flavorful. The sugar content's gonna be really high, and it just makes for a much better flavor. The banana flavor is really gonna stand out if you wait to get those bananas really ripe.
So let's get started. Let's make my banana bread recipe. You're gonna start by combining your flour, baking soda, salt, and I like to add, like I said, a little bit of cinnamon for flavor. I just give that a quick whisk in my bowl. That's all you have to do. Just go ahead and set that aside. Next, you're going to start mashing your bananas. And you want to, again, use those ripe bananas. You can see how dark in color these bananas are. They're going to bring so much more flavor than the yellow bananas that you see up in the corner. So wait till your bananas are really ripe to make your banana bread. It's going to make a world of difference. So for this banana bread recipe, it's 1.5 cups of mashed bananas, which is about 3 to 4. And I just go ahead and mash that with a fork. It's simple as that, or you could use like a pastry cutter, super simple. And once those are mashed together, you can add in the rest of your ingredients: sugar, vegetable oil, your 2 large eggs, and a little bit of vanilla, of course, for some extra flavor. And then, of course, the star ingredient, which is the sour cream. This is going to add a lot of richness with the fat content that's in sour cream, making for a really wonderful, moist and tender banana bread. And then I simply whisk that until it's all combined together. And then just add in my dry mixture that we prepared earlier. At this point, you want to make sure to not over mix your batter so you don't end up with a tough, chewy banana bread. Go ahead and pop that into your loaf pan and then go ahead and bake your banana bread. And there you go. How simple was that? That is my really easy sour cream banana bread recipe.
If you love this banana bread recipe as much as I do, let me know in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, happy baking.